this lesson, you will learn how to say hello in Chinese. Let's begin. First, we need to know how to say these three singular personal pronouns in Chinese. 你, 我, 他. First, 你 means you. 我 means I or me. 他 means he or him. Next, the three plurals. The plural of you is 你们. We is 我们. And them is 他们. Now, please repeat after me. 你 我 他 你们pronouns. We can learn how to say hi. First, hello in Chinese is 你好. It can be used for friends and peers. To be more respectful to seniors and others, we say 您好. 您 is the formal form of you. 好 means good. 你好 and 您好 are singular greetings. We will learn how to greet groups of people next. Now, repeat after me. 你好 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 您好 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 On the last page, we learned how to say 你好 and 您好. How should we greet multiple people? We can say 你们好 and 大家好. The two phrases both mean hello everyone. 你们好 is mostly used for groups of 3 or more people. Read after me. 你们好你们好你们好大家好大家好大家好 When you need to say thanks, you can say 谢谢. If someone is thanking you, you can respond 不用谢 or 不客气. These two phrases both mean you're welcome. Repeat after me. 谢谢谢谢谢谢不用谢不用谢不用谢不客气不客气不客气 If you need to apologize to someone, the equivalence in Chinese is 对不起, which means I'm sorry. If someone apologizes to you, you can respond 没关系, which means it's okay. Repeat after me. 对不起对不起对不起没关系没关系没关系 When you need to say goodbye in Chinese, you can say 再见. The response is also 再见. Repeat after me. 再见再见再见 Let's review what we just learned. 你我 您好，您好，您好，你们好，你们好，你们好，大家好，大家好，大家好，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，不用谢，不用谢，不用谢，不客气，不客气，不客气，对不起，对不起，对不起，没关系，没关系，没关系，再见，再见，再见。This is the end of the lesson. Please remember to review. Have a good day.
Please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you and God bless.